Sometimes life feels hard. We all have sad days. We all have dark days. On these days, you may feel tired. You may feel lonely. You may feel like nothing is good. You may think, I cannot do this anymore. But remember this: dark days don't last forever. The sun always comes back. Light always finds a way to return. When you feel sad, it is easy to forget good things. It is easy to think the pain will stay forever, but it will not. Feelings change. Life moves. You will not feel sad forever. Even the darkest night ends when the morning comes. Think about the weather. Sometimes it rains. The sky looks gray. You see no sun. You may feel cold and small, but after rain, the sun shines again. The blue sky comes back. Flowers open again. Life is like that too. Sad times are like rain. They come and go. Good days will come back to you. When life is hard, you can feel lost. You may not know what to do. That is okay. You do not need to fix everything in one day. You can take one small step. You can drink some water. You can walk a little. You can take a deep breath. You can smile at yourself in the mirror. These are small things, but they help. Small steps can slowly make your day better. Maybe you feel that nobody understands you, but you are not alone. Many people feel sad sometimes. Many people cry when they are tired. Many people think, I am not strong. But they are wrong. You are strong because you are still here. You are still trying. That is real strength. You do not need to be happy all the time. Nobody is happy every day. Life is up and down. Some days are good. Some days are bad. This is normal. Bad days do not mean your life is bad. They are just part of your story. You can rest. You can wait. You can trust that better days will come. Dark days can also teach you something. When you are sad, you see what really matters. You see who cares about you. You see what things give you peace. You learn to be kind to yourself. You learn to say, it's okay to be sad today. You learn that pain can make you softer, not harder. On dark days, your mind may say, I am not enough. But this is not true. You are enough just as you are. You do not need to do more to be a good person. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to keep going one small step at a time. You are already doing well because you are still trying. If you can, talk to someone you trust. It can be a friend, a family member, or even a teacher. You do not need to talk much. You can just say, I feel sad today. Simple words can help. When you talk, the dark inside becomes smaller. When you share, you start to heal. You can also write your feelings. You can write one short sentence. I am sad now, but I will feel better soon. This is a strong message. You tell yourself that the dark will pass. And it will. Look back at your life. Can you remember a time when you were sad before? Maybe something bad happened. Maybe you cried a lot. But now, that time is gone. You are here. You made it. You survived. This shows that you can survive again. You are stronger than you think. On sad days, you may think, I will never smile again. But this thought is not true. You will smile again. You will laugh again. You will see light again. You just need time. Healing takes time, just like flowers take time to grow. Hope is important. Hope is like a small light in your heart. Maybe it is small now, but it is still there. Even a small light can help you see in the dark. You can say, I believe my life will be better. Say it again and again. Hope grows when you keep it alive. Try to be gentle with yourself. If you make mistakes, that's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. If you cry, that's okay too. Crying helps you feel lighter. If you feel slow or tired, do not be angry with yourself. You are not lazy. You are healing. Healing is also work. It just looks quiet. Sometimes we look at other people and think they are always happy. But that is not true. Everyone has problems. Everyone has fears. They may smile outside, but they also have dark days inside. You're not different. You're just human. When you wake up on a dark day, you can say a simple sentence, I will try my best today. That is enough. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to try. Even small efforts matter. You can take care of yourself with love. You can eat something good. You can rest. You can listen to soft music. You can walk outside and feel the wind. Nature can help your heart breathe again. Remember, every night ends. Every winter ends. Every storm ends. The dark never stays forever. You may not see the light now, but it is coming. You just need to hold on a little longer. You are stronger than you think. You are braver than you know. You have faced hard times before. You can face this one too. Do not let one bad day make you forget all the good days you have lived. Do not let one dark moment hide all your light. You are growing even when it feels like you are not. You are learning to be patient. You are learning to be kind. You are learning to believe in yourself again. Every small thing you do to take care of yourself is a step toward light. So, when life feels dark, say this to yourself. This moment will pass. I am still here. I am still breathing. I am still trying. These words are simple, but they are powerful. They remind you that you have the strength to stay and to wait for the light. Dark days don't last, but you do. The light is waiting for you. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but it will come. Hold on. You are doing great. Keep walking. The sun will rise again for you.